Suen here from the Kafir King, and in lieu of the Christmas holidays, I would like to share a short story about what we've been doing for the past year. When we first started baking sourdough bread, we were quite amazed because we found a way to make something so delicious and nutritious with our own hands. So that was something really big for us, and because of that, we actually started working with the Lost Food Project over the past year to deliver our bread to families who need food around KL. And this started during MCO, but we just continued it for the rest of the year. Today we've actually given away more than 150 loaves to families around the Klang Valley area. So this Christmas, what we're going to do is from today until Christmas Day, we are going to match every order that comes in with a loaf given to a family. So if you make an order today, we'll send one loaf on your behalf to a family who would really appreciate it. If you'd like to contribute, we've actually made a very special Christmas bundle for the occasion. It consists of our newly launched sourdough pretzels and our sourdough brioche buns, which are both incredibly delicious and fitting for the Christmas season. If you'd like to order this bundle for a friend and you'd like to send a note to them in the process, write your note in the description box and we'll actually help you to send a handwritten note to your friend together with your order. Thank you again from the Kafir King. Every order means a lot to us. Let's try to make sure that no one goes hungry as we celebrate Christmas this year.